I love the Lord. He hears me and listens to my prayers. I was diagnosed with Listeria meningitis and was in the hospital for 2 weeks. During that time, I received so many prayers. It just lifted me up each day, and it just made me realize the importance of prayer. While I was in the hospital, I was in the ICU for 1 week, and during that time, of course, I didn't really realize all that was going on. The one thing I remember is seeing God's hand come down to me, and I thought that He was going to be taking me up with Him to heaven. He had other plans, and He decided that here I am, I'm here to give you peace, I'm here to help you heal, and He did bring that peace and healing to me. There were so many miracles that occurred during those 2 weeks, and the biggest miracle is that He was right there by my side. He was healing me each day, and I felt all of your prayers. They were such an important part of my healing. Thank you for your giving hearts. I have a devotion book here that was given to me, Proven Promises, that were written by Pastor Vanderwell. And he was very sick. And this is one of the devotions that he had, and it just touched my heart. Prayer is the Christian's vital breath we sing. By now, I lay on my hospital bed, and suddenly my ability to pray seemed so feeble. The sickness was major, and my body was in need of healing. And so much prayer ought to be said. But somehow I couldn't do it. Why? Was it my extreme weakness physically and mentally, or the pain, or the medication I was on? I don't know, but thoughts did not seem to fit together for coherent praying. In my own weakness, I turned it all over to others. I claim the promise that the Spirit prays for us with groans and words cannot express. I claim the promise that Christ is also interceding for us. And I claim the promise that many of my brothers and sisters in Christ had made when they said, "We'll be praying for you." When I was too weak to pray, there were no fears of abandonment. There was instead a deep security that others in heaven and on earth were doing so. So thank you, and peace be with all of you.